So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this short video I'm going to show you how to fix this transfer failed error on Cash App when I try to transfer. If you're also facing that issue, then keep watching full video. In this video I will show you how you can fix that. Firstly, go to the settings app. In settings app you need to scroll down, tap on general. Okay, in that section you need to tap on software update. Okay, make sure you don't have any pending iOS update in your iPhone. If you have any pending iOS update in your iPhone, just update your iPhone to the latest iOS, then try to transfer again. Okay, if that method not working for you, then move to the next solution. The next solution is force to restart your iPhone. Press volume up button, then press volume down button, and then press the power button until you see the Apple logo appears on your iPhone screen and your iPhone is forced to restart. If that method is also not working for you, then move to the next solution. The next solution is open iPhone setting again. Tap on general. Tap on iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough space in your iPhone storage. If you have not enough space in your iPhone storage, just make some space and then try to again transfer. If that method is also not working for you, then make sure you are connected with Wi-Fi or cellular data that working in your iPhone is strong. If it's not strong and it's not working, then connect your iPhone to the strong Wi-Fi or cellular data and try to again transfer. Okay, if that method is also not working for you, then move to the last one. The last one is delete the Cash App and then reinstall it and then try to transfer it again. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix Cash App transaction failed error on iPhone. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.